Welcome back to all of you. This is a continuation video, my dear children. We are in the same exercise 13.2 and page number 235. We had in the previous video clip, we had completed question number 1 and 2. Now we are going to solve question number 3, 4 and 5. So question number 3 now. A flower bed is in the shape of a square with length 18 meters. So there's a flower bed and the flower bed is in the shape of a square. So if the flower bed is in the shape of the square, means all the 4 different sides of the flower bed is same. And its side is 18 meter, and if it is 18 meter, then these all 4 different sides are also 18 meter. You have to find out the area that needs to be fertilized. So you have to put the fertilizer. So to put the fertilizer, you need to know how much is the area. So area, side is equal to 18 meter, you have to find out the area. And you know area of a square is side into side. So side into side means 18 meter into 18 meter is 18 into 18 324. 324 meter into meter is square meter. Only this much is to be done. So this is the area of the square field that needs to be fertilized. So this is question number 3. I'll be sending the PDF file also, so there's nothing to worry about, but this is only the explanation how question number 3 is to be done. This is how you should understand. So this is question number 3. Now question number 4. Let's see question number 4. Find the area of a rectangle with length 12 meter and breadth 800 centimeter. So there is a rectangle. There's a rectangle. Okay, length, breadth. Question number 4. Length is given. Length is 12 meter. And breadth is given. Breadth is 800 centimeter. 800 centimeter. And what you have to do is, you have to find the area. Okay? You have to find out the area. Therefore, area is equal to length into breadth. Square unit. That means take length and the breadth and multiply it. Length is how much? 12 meter. Into breadth is 800 centimeter. Now there's a problem. Problem is this, that the units are different. This is meter and this centimeter. So you need to convert and make the unit same. But the bigger, it's easier to convert into a smaller unit rather than smaller into bigger unit. The conversion you have already learned. I explained you the other day. So let us convert the meter into centimeter. 12, if you multiply it by 100, it will be converted to centimeter. Now this is centimeter and this is also 800 is also already in centimeters. Okay, so meter is converted to centimeter when we multiply it by 100. So 12 into 100 into 800 is 12 into 100 is 1200 centimeter into 800 centimeter, multiply 12 into 8 is 96, and how many zeros are there? 20 and 20, that means 4 zeros, and centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. Okay, so this is question number 4. Length is given, breadth is given. You have to find out the area. So length into breadth is the formula we use to calculate the area. So length into breadth, but the problem is length is in meter and the breadth is in centimeter. So we have converted the meter into centimeter by multiplying it by 100. So when you multiply it by 100, this meter will vanish and it will be converted to centimeter. So 12 into 100 is 1200 centimeter into 100 centimeter, just multiply, and centimeter into centimeter is also a square centimeter. So 9,000, how much is this? 9,60,000 square centimeter. This is the required area. And this is question number 4. Now, dear children, question number 5. Question number 5 is already a little hint is given there. Same picture is required. a rectangular field of length 10 meter and breadth 5 meter. So there is a rectangle whose length is 10 meter and breadth is 5 meter. Length 10 meter and breadth 5 meter has a square flower bed in the center as shown in the picture. And in the picture there is such kind of square is shown, and the length and breadth of the square is 2 meter. So how much? Find the area covered by the mud. So how much is the area covered by the mud? This is a rectangle with the length and the breadth. In the middle there is a square shaped box flower bed, and this is 2 meter. 2 meter means square, means 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter. So how much area is covered by the mud? This area you have to calculate. What you should do is find out the total area, also find out the area of the square flower bed and subtract it. Then you will get the area of this one. Okay. So you should find out first. Here you have rectangular block, rectangular. You have rectangular field. Length is rectangular field. Length is 10 meter. Breadth is 5 meter. So find out its area. Area of this rectangular field will be length into breadth. Length is 10 meter. Breadth is 5 meter. So 10 into 5 is 50 meter. This is the rectangular field. And in the middle, and this is a rectangular field, the entire rectangular field, and this is the area for the entire rectangular field. We have calculated it is 50 meter. 50 square meter, sorry, because meter into meter is square meter. And we have the next we have is flower bed, square flower bed, square flower bed. Since the flower bed is in the form of square, its side is given and side is 2 meter. Side is given 2 meter. So its area will be, area is equal to side into side. So it is 2 meter into 2 meter. It is equal to 4 square meter. Okay. So this is rectangular field, the entire field. Its area is 50 square meter. In the middle there is a square flower bed with side 2 centimeter. So we have calculated its area, which is 4 square meter. Now how much mud is required? So this area you have to find out how much mud is required. For this, from the total, subtract this area you will get. Therefore, requirement of mud, requirement of area for mud is equal to area of this area of rectangular field minus, from this you should subtract area of square flower bed, square flower bed. That means from this 50 square meter, we need to subtract 4 square meter, and the required answer is 50 minus 4 is 46 square meter. So this much of area will be required for the mud. So dear children, we have completed exercise number 13.2, question number 1 and 2 in the previous video, and now in this present video we have solved question number 3, 4 and 5. So overall this lesson is over. So 2 video clips I am sending, and along with this the PDF file PDF file also will be sent to you. See this video and try to do yourself, and later on verify it from the PDF file. Okay, complete solved answers to all these questions are also being sent to you in the form of a PDF file. Please do verify and copy it, and in case if you have any doubts and difficulties, of course you can make phone calls to us. So thank you and have a great day and take care of yourself.